Yeah! This one's for the island people. We love our land, we love our soil. Kiribati, rise up! Someone love to honey, no matter what. Just one with to be my kind. Someone love to honey more than anything in the world. We're hip-hop beat. We live by the sea, we live by the ground. Every plant we grow makes the island sound. From the barbway pits to the coconut tree, it's a blessing passed down through history. Our ancestors taught us how to survive. Keep the soil strong, keep the roots alive. No need for the food that comes on a plane. We got everything, sun, soil and rain. So teach the youth to plant and stay true. The earth will give back what you do. Respect the land, it's the heart of the plant. Kiribati strong, we grow what we can. Bona ni koa e tinte yango mate kanta ni ngai. Hante ona ba e bani batite UNUNIKI o maiura. Onga ira i Kiribati yana tokiara kariari buuki maiura mai abatera. Kanara mani marati manta nonna baraka kurakone UNUNIKI. Tenite kina te ben te to te mai te non te banan babuaya. Tomato cucumber kai chocate melon hambre boinga. Te babuaita aurora mabanate tapioca. Kabiti kung warabao kinterom wake wake aiban te buka mate rai mate seaweed. Island keep on breathing Yo, we plant what we eat, that's island pride. Taro bread, fruit, coconut by our side. Banana, cucumber, melon and lime, all from the ground, fresh every time. We don't need food from overseas. Our land provides with the ocean breeze. We dig the soil, we sweat, we grind. Real Kiribati strength, body and mind. No plastic meal, no foreign pack. We grow our roots, we take it back. Our hands in the dirt, our heart in the plant. This is our life, the gift from the land. Tenite kina te ben te to te mai te non te bana babuaya. Tomato cucumber kai chocate melon hambre boinga. Te babuaita aurora mabanate tapioca. Kabiti kung warabao kinteron wake wake iban te buka mate rai mate ni rinano. Bonti Totoronibwaira ni koante Maiu bati na UNUNIKI. Bonti Totoronibwaira ni koante Maiu bati na UNUNIKI. We'll keep this love alive.